Meet the Goot TQ77H ceramic heater, a precise, replaceable component for your TQ77 soldering iron. Its sleek, silver ceramic build ensures efficient heat transfer and consistent performance for all your soldering tasks. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, it brings reliability and ease to every electronics project you tackle. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to check the price and delivery options. Subscribe to our channel for more expert tools and smart tech finds. Key features include compatibility with TQ77 models, voltage range 220 to 240 volts, and durable ceramic construction.